We begin with the details of the Supreme Court decision that came down about 90 minutes ago. This is expected to have far-reaching implications impacting states beyond New York. CBS News' Tony Aiello is here with the breakdown of all of the details. Tony.
Mary, 2 men in upstate New York were denied pistol carry permits in 2014. They challenged the denial in court after court, and today, 8 years later, the Supreme Court has sided with them, striking down New York law. The court saying the law violated the Constitution by preventing law-abiding citizens with ordinary self-defense needs from exercising their Second Amendment rights. The decision reflected the 6-3 ideological split on the Supreme Court. It was written by the most senior justice, Clarence Thomas, who wrote, quote, "In 43 states, the government issues licenses to carry based on objective criteria. But in 6 states, including New York, the government further conditions issuance of a license to carry on a citizen's showing of some additional special need. Because the state of New York issues public carry licenses only when an applicant demonstrates a special need for self-defense, we conclude that the state's licensing regime violates the Constitution." For decades, obtaining a gun carry permit in New York required proving to an official you face special or unique danger and have proper cause to get one. Attorney David Schwartz says the High Court's ruling simply allows regular people to get a permit to carry a handgun in the state for protection.
Someone who works late at night, that's leaving work late, it could be a nurse, it could be anybody that has to walk around late at night. They don't have a right now to get a carry permit. The idea that criminals now will go out and start applying for licenses, for carry permits, I think is a little bit illogical. It's going to be people that can't show an extraordinary purpose but still want to carry a gun. And that really does fall within the heart of the Second Amendment.
Supporters of the New York law predict many more New Yorkers will now get concealed carry permits.
We've lived since 1911 with a law that said most people you're talking to don't have a gun on them. And now you're going to feel like most people you are talking to do have a gun on them. And that creates a different energy going on. Most of us in New York knew if we wanted to live in that environment, we could move to Texas.
Gun control advocates say the ruling adds urgency to bipartisan action in D.C. to address gun safety concerns.
The state of New York has made strides in reducing gun violence, and they continue to do so. We need the federal government to step up and to prioritize life-saving gun safety measures.
This case made for some interesting bedfellows. The Progressive Legal Aid Society supports the Supreme Court ruling, saying arbitrary licensing standards have inhibited lawful black and brown gun ownership in New York, while numerous conservative legal scholars argued the New York law was well grounded in history and precedent and good for public safety. So now, here on the East Coast, New Jersey, Maryland, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island have gun permit laws similar to the one struck down in New York. Those laws in New Jersey and those 3 other states now all vulnerable to legal challenges. Mary.
Tony Aiello. Tony, thank you so much.